YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies I have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go, guys. The month is almost over. Sure flew by though. And today we have here, oh boy, ooh, and still got time. Can still use this. This is a pruning spear. Ooh, top quality, cutting diameter. All right, I'll take it outside. It should be stopped raining. We had a bad thunderstorm earlier. Oh, these are nice. Got the lock on. Be careful. It's gonna be sharp. See, do not stick your finger in there. I repeat. A little oil. We'll go outside in a second. But yeah, these have a nice grip. Really comfortable. I'm liking these. Get some use out of them. Here we go. There's the bottom. We got the gold plated. Got the chrome. Chop, chop, chop. Oh, yeah, look at that. But be careful though. This will do some damage. On the pruning, we're going to go right now. Alright guys, we are outside. You can tell we had some thunderstorms. Kind of raining right now a little bit. Hopefully I'll be alright. We got a tree right here. Definitely need a snip. Bam. Boom. Bam. See? I could get it done. Just find certain ones. There we go. Maybe on top. Even thicker branches. Oh, it's coming down hard. There we go. See, look at that. Oh, it's raining. So you guys can tell I'm getting wet. Here we go, it's raining now. And we gotta run a little bit over. Let's see what else I need to prune really fast. Like I said, it's gonna come down. Maybe right here. Here we go. Cup of pruning. So if you're looking for prunes, this is a good one to get. Alright, be safe. Have a good night.